Welcome to Creative Visions today. Thank you for being here. Today we're going to be talking about something nice from a movie, and that's the research we did. First of all, I'm going to show you how I did the tech beam. The tech beam in the movie. So coming to this place, first of all, we have to bring in the footage. First, you go to effects and control. You see an effect called primate keyer. So use this primate keyer in keying this character. As you can see, she's behind green screen. So use the effect in keying her out. Though there are some artifacts still left, but it won't be needed since she will be fixed in the background that we envelop that. So I duplicated the footage just to get the particular shot I want. And the next thing I did is to mark out the third beam out from the character. So as you can see, this just from the t-shirt alone, from the character alone. So what did I use here? I used an effect called radial blow. So I animated the amount. Okay, but first of all, I have to set it to zoom, not spin. Okay, so I set it to zoom and I animated your amount. So, and as you can see at this time, you can see this the geometry form here at this stage, and now it's as if it is extruding out of her. So if I show unsolo this now, you see that. So it looks as if it is extruding, and once it's at its fullest, then it swaps back. So this is what I use in creating this perspective of the third beam. So when this is activated, the spaceship gets to beam them up or down from wherever they are to the destination in which they set or prepared. So this is what I did for that. But before that, I added a things to it. Okay, so I set it to this nearest blue colors, and this one is just looking like a Caribbean color already, or a cerulean, so to say. After that, I added a VC color vibrance. I supported the blue more, and then I added a deep glow to it to make everything. As you can see, without the deep glow, this how it's looking like, and also noisy. But with the deep glow, and this now sweet. So this how I did it. And when she taps, then we can see her tapping here right now. Good. Then it activates. As you can see that, then the beaming starts. Then voila. So this is what I did. After that, I brought it back into the spaceship, because this is supposed to be in the spaceship, inside the spaceship, though when they are beaming to Earth, okay, to the location of the syndicate. So I have to bring them in here and come them with other players. So that's all for this. Please, it's as simple as anything. Please watch our video, our short film, like, share, subscribe, and please don't forget to turn on the notification button, and I will be happy to see you next time in my next video. Bye.